Prepositions of time indicate when an action occurs within a sentence. Let's do practice. Please arrive blank 9 o'clock. This sentence indicates that the arrival should occur prior to reaching the time of 9 o'clock. So the answer is before 9 o'clock. She will be on vacation blank 2 weeks. The sentence specifies the period of time during which the vacation will take place, which in this case is 2 weeks. So the answer is 4. I fell asleep blank the movie. The correct preposition is during. The preposition during indicates the specific time frame in which the action of falling asleep occurred, which is while the movie was playing. The store is open blank 10 p.m. The answer is until. The preposition until indicates the time limit or endpoint of the store's opening hours, specifying that it remains open up to the time of 10 p.m. They have class blank 9 a.m. blank 11 a.m. It's pretty simple. They have class from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. He has been working here blank January. The answer is since. He has been working here since January. The preposition since indicates the starting point of an action or state, specifying that the individual began working at this location starting from the month of January. The store is open from Monday blank Friday. The answer is pretty simple too. The preposition from in this context indicates the starting point of the time period during which the store is open. It specifies that the store is open starting on Monday and continues through the rest of the days mentioned up to and including Friday. He wore his hat blank the entire trip. The answer is throughout. In this phrase, throughout the entire trip, the preposition throughout indicates the duration or extent of time during which an action or state persists. It suggests that from the beginning to the end of the trip, the individual consistently wore his hat. They went for a walk blank dinner. The answer is before. In this sentence, before indicates the time relation between the walk and dinner, specifying that the walk occurred prior to the dinner. Please complete a task blank an hour. The answer is within. Within indicates a time limit or constraint. In this context, within an hour means that the task should be completed before 1 hour has passed or during the period of time that falls within the duration of 1 hour. It implies completing the task in a relatively short period without exceeding the hour time frame. The package will arrive blank 3 days. The answer is within. Within is used as a time preposition to indicate that the action arrival of the package will occur before the end of a period of time. In this context, it means the package will arrive at some point during the 3-day period from the present moment. He finished the project blank the allotted time. The answer is again within. Within is the time preposition used to indicate that something happened inside the specified time frame without exceeding it. In this context, it means the project was completed before the allocated time elapsed. She remained blank the chaos. The answer is throughout. In the phrase throughout the chaos, the preposition throughout indicates a duration of time during which an action or state occurs. It signifies that the subject, in this case, she, remained calm for the entire duration of the chaos, from the beginning to the end. So, throughout is used to specify the time frame during which the calmness was maintained in relation to the chaos. The flowers bloomed blank the spring season. The answer is throughout. In the phrase throughout the spring season, the preposition throughout indicates a continuous duration of time. It suggests that the action of blooming performed by the flowers persists for the entirety of the spring season, from the beginning to the end. So throughout is used to specify the time frame during which the blooming occurred in relation to the spring season. They have been friends blank childhood. The answer is since. In the phrase since childhood, the preposition since indicates the starting point of a time period. It suggests that the action of being friends began at the point of childhood and has continued up to the present. So since is used to specify the starting time frame during which this friendship began in relation to childhood. I'll wait here, blank, you return. The answer is until. In the phrase until you return, the preposition until indicates a point in time when an action or event will happen. It suggests that the waiting will continue until the specified event, which is your return, occurs. So, until is used to specify the end point of the waiting period in relation to your return. He stayed focused blank the entire presentation. The answer is during. The preposition during indicates a duration or period within which an action takes place. In this context, it suggests that the person remained focused throughout the entire duration of the presentation, from beginning to end. They have been married blank 10 years. The answer is for. The preposition for in this sentence indicates the duration of time that the couple has been married, which is 10 years. It specifies the length of time that has passed since their marriage began. He left the party blank midnight. The answer is before. The preposition before in the sentence he left the party before midnight indicates that the action of leaving the party occurred earlier in time than the specified point, which is midnight. In other words, the individual departed from the party prior to the clock striking midnight. The storm occurred blank the night. The answer is during. The preposition during in the sentence the storm occurred during the night indicates that the storm happened within the duration or period of time encompassed by the night. It suggests that the storm occurred at some point throughout the night without specifying exactly when it started or ended within that time frame. If you are enjoying the content so far, why not hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you will never miss out on any future uploads and you will be joining our awesome community of education. Plus, it really helps support the channel and motivates us to keep creating content just for you. Go ahead, hit subscribe and let's grow together. Thanks a bunch.